Hey, Jecka here! Isa sa pinakamahirap ng part ng pagbebenta ay yung paggawa ng marketing videos. Personally, ang the best marketing effort na ginagawa ko talagang nagkakaroon ako ng tractions sa shop ko ay hindi paid ads, kundi organic videos. And in this video, I'm going to introduce to you an amazing website that allows us to use AI in editing our videos. So, mas mapapadali na yung pag-edit natin ng videos through this website. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, go to this website called TopView AI, or pwede rin ninyong i-click yung link in my description. This platform uses GPT-4 and AI avatars to help you create content quickly and easily. So, pag naka-create na kayo ng account, you just click on the dashboard and makikita na ninyo dito yung mga AI creation tools na pwede natin gamitin. So, dito sa taas, you can create videos from link or materials. So, meaning to say, kapag meron kang isang product na in-upload sa Etsy, sa Amazon, sa TikTok, i-paste nyo lang dito yung link and then a video will be generated for you. Pero meron tayong mga AI creation tools dito na mas madali yung pag-edit natin ng videos. We have the avatar marketing video, the talking photo avatar, AI voice generator, long video to shorts, and video script extractor. And meron din silang real-time chat avatar, pero that's still coming soon. So, let's begin with the avatar marketing video. So, may mga options dito ng avatars. Example, if it's related to health and fitness, you can choose this one. Kapag music naman, ito. But for me, since I want to market my digital planner, I'll be choosing something like this. So, pag click natin yan, you will be seeing multiple avatars na pwede nating piliin. And then, pag nakapili na kayo, you just have to click confirm. Ang next naman na gagawin natin is, let's import the materials from product link. So, let's say, ito yung product na gusto kong gawan ng marketing video. So, you just get the link and then paste it here. Tapos, i-click lang natin yung analyze link. So, habang ina-analyze niyan, nagagawa na niya yung product name and even the description. So, ayan, may mga materials tayo dito na available. So, for me, what I just do is, kino-continue ko na lang. Chine-check ko na lang lahat and then I just click continue. So, pag completed na yung analysis, na-generate na rin dito yung product title and then yung video brief. Pero dito, wala na akong ginagawa. Wala na akong ine-edit. I just go to more options. And then dito, mamimili tayo ng script style. So, may mga options dito like news, broadcast style, storytelling, science education, etc. So, for me, what I like here is yung sa storytelling style. And then you can also choose the video length if you want it between 15 to 30 seconds, or kung mas mataas pa, you can choose kahit alin dito. So let's say I would just want to create a very short TikTok video for this. So pipiliin ko lang 15 to 30 seconds. And then dito sa end card, you can upload your logo or yung logo watermark ninyo. So dito pwede kayong mamili ng size. And then you can choose also yung dialect or yung language. And then dito, you can choose yung accent na gusto ninyo. If you want American accent, pwede kayong mamili dito. Or if you want to clone your voice, gusto mong gamitin yung boses mo, you can click clone my voice and then just click confirm. And once you're done, you just click the generate button here. And what I like about this is makikita mo na yung scenes na makikita natin doon sa ating video. So dito naman sa right side, makikita natin yung different scripts for the storytelling styles. And then once done, we can already preview the video on the right. Pero click lang muna natin yung edit para just in case we want to edit something on the video, we can do it inside this website. And then makikita na natin dito yung mga scenes na included dun sa ating video. You can also edit yung caption if you like.
Ever wished for a planner that's just as unique as you are? Introducing a digital planner with endless customization at your fingertips. Choose from 750 plus variations in orientation, color, and templates. Enjoy planners for 2024, 2025, 2026, or select an undated version. Navigate effortlessly with thousands of hyperlinks and video tutorials. Join thousands who found organization and clarity with our planner. Start your journey to a more organized and productive life today.
So, ang next tool na pwede naman natin gamitin is the talking photo avatar. So, dito we can add our text. And if you're using faceless marketing, pwede kayong mag-import ng audio ninyo, yung sarili ninyong boses. And then you can upload your own photo or choose a public photo library na available dito sa TopView AI. And you just have to click use it. And then dito naman, mamimili tayo kung ano yung voice na gusto natin gamitin. Since male yung pinili natin na photo, let's look for a male voice. You can choose yung gender, the age, and yung style ng voice na gusto natin gamitin. And click confirm. So, let's see the result. And then let's generate the video and let's see the result.
Life feels like a constant race, doesn't it? Meetings, deadlines, errands, the list never ends. But what if there was a way to bring it all together? A digital planner doesn't just organize your day, it saves your day.
Another tool which we can use is the AI voice generator. So sa mga viral videos sa TikTok and even sa Reels, many of them are using AI voice generator. So dito sa TopView AI, meron na din sila. So ang gagawin lang natin is let's just paste yung text na gusto natin gawan ng voice. And then you can check yung AI pronunciation correction. And then from here, you can choose yung tone ng voice. And then i-generate lang natin siya and let's see the result.
Life feels like a constant race, doesn't it? Meetings, deadlines, errands, the list never ends. But what if there was a way to bring it all together? A digital planner doesn't just organize your day, it saves your day. With everything in one place, tasks, appointments, notes, you never miss a beat.
Another tool na pwede natin gamitin is yung long video to shorts. So if you're a content creator na gumagawa ng mga long form videos sa Facebook or sa YouTube and you want to repurpose your content, meaning kung gusto mong mag-extract ng highlights from your long form video and then convert natin siya into Reels or TikTok video, we can do that. So ang gagawin lang natin ay kukunin natin yung URL ng YouTube video and then ipapaste lang natin siya dito. And then automatically i-extract ni TopView AI yung mga clips or highlights ng video na to and then i-adjust lang natin yung processing time. Then isi-send ng TopView AI sa email natin yung result and let's check the result.
I recommend having 10 different types of listing photos within every listing to make it high converting. Really use bright, crisp photos where the product itself is taking up at least 80% of the square footage on that listing photo. I recommend just keeping it really simple. You do not need props. This isn't a family portrait. Okay. Natural lighting is best. Really get things near a window if you're taking the pictures yourself.
And lastly, we can extract yung script from a video using this AI creation tool from TopView AI. So, ang gagawin lang natin, let's just copy the link of the YouTube video and then let's paste it here. Tapos, i-click lang natin yung free extract. And there you go, extracted na yung script from that YouTube video. So, aside from the AI creation tools na available dito sa TopView AI, meron ding mga AI templates na pwede na natin gamitin. And then dito sa hot hooks, what I like about this is makikita natin kung ano yung mga hooks na ginagamit ng mga viral videos na uploaded sa social media. So makikita na natin yung mga hooks dito. We can use that for our future videos. We can also have it here yung mga TikTok ads library where you can see the currently viral videos within the last 7 days as well as yung YouTube ads library. You can also choose a specific industry. Let's say, kung nasa shoe industry ka, you can click that and click mo lang yung apply and you will see mga viral videos na related dun sa industry na pinili natin. What I like about this is we can now check yung analytics. From here, we can see the number of likes, comments, and shares, and kung anong region, and kung anong industry to. And then below that, you can see the scene, and then yung content, and then yung tags. Plus, you can copy the script kung gusto mong isave etong script ng video na to. So, if you want to try TopView AI, you can check the link in my bio. I'm telling you, it's really worth it. Plus, hindi na tayo mahihirapan sa paggawa ng ating marketing videos. So, yun lang.